baby girl, let me get a pot roast with that pussy, baby. It's me, the guy who made the last, like, I don't know how many albums that didn't fucking make it onto Spotify or anything. I'm back. I'm not black. I'm here to inform you about a fact, a straight fact, as one would say. It's about lesbians. They dress funny, haha. They seem to dress similar ways to each other that resemble like construction workers, but like not like construction workers, but like rather like very colorful construction. Hold on, let me explain. Y'all bitches dress like fucking colorful construction workers, bitch. That's literally it. This isn't meant to be hateful. Please don't take it that way. Yeah. This is pretty much the crux of the song. Like, I don't know what you guys expected from like a 2020 music album. This whole concept of me like rapping, or like not even rapping, but just like fake rapping over songs has kind of gotten a little old at this point. But some people find it funny, I guess. It's not enough to like make it something that I'm willing to do more often, but you get the idea. Blacks, whites, bitches, fucking bitches. I don't know what the fuck to say, but I'm just gonna say it. Lesbians, y'all bitches dress like colorful construction workers, and that's something that I think is interesting. That's a fact. What I just said there, I guess. So please don't hurt me. Don't give me no troubles while I'm walking down the street. Don't cancel me on Twitter. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, you fuck. Don't cancel me on Twitter, or else I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna fucking cry. I will cry, and nobody can stop me. I'm also gonna pee my pants, 'cause it's funny. We need to destigmatize pooping your pants. We also need to make lunch meat like a required food category. Those shits aren't even like real meat, bro. They're like manufactured dog food, bro. How is manufactured lunch meat like still legal? FDA, investigate that shit. Bye.